Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, November 2, 2025. Pauline todo workout para pumayat, pero need pa rin daw magpa-liposuction. Open book talaga si Pauline Luna pagdating sa pagiging nanay, maging sa kanyang balik-alindog journey. Sa isang interview na ibinandera ni Dr. Vicky Bello sa Instagram, diretsahang inamin ng celebrity mom na dumaan siya sa liposuction para matulungan ang sarili niyang makabalik sa dating katawan matapos manganak sa pangalawang anak nila ni Bossing Vic Soto. Ayon sa actress host, matagal siyang nahirapan alisin ang mga last bits ng taba, lalo na sa braso. It's life-changing because I really needed that push after giving birth to my second child. I really needed that push to come back to myself, say ni Pauline sa video. Dagdag niya, hindi totoo na pumapayat agad ang mga nanay kapag nagpapa-breastfeed. Contrary to popular belief, breastfeeding made me really big siguro the supplements and I was always hungry, chika niya. Aminado si Pauline na kahit todo diet at workout siya, hindi pa rin talaga bumibigay ang mga braso niya. I'm masipag naman to workout but it's really my arms that are so stubborn, kwento ng aktres. Pero matapos ang procedure, mas ganado na raw siya sa healthy lifestyle, so after I did it, I was really inspired to move and to stick to my diet kasi sayang naman. Kasabay nito, ginamit ni Pauline at Dr. Vicky ang pagkakataon para hikayatin ang mga nanay na huwag mahiya kung nahihirapan silang ibalik ang dating katawan matapos manganak. There's no shame in asking for a little help, sambit pa ni Pauline. Patuloy niya, because I will never be able to achieve this on my own. I am not ashamed to share it because I'm a mom, I've experienced what other moms feel and I want them to see that it is possible, so I'm very happy. Para kay Pauline, hindi raw shortcut ang liposuction, kundi isang push, para lalo siyang ma-inspire na magpursige sa diet at workout.
Eloy, Dr. Busa did her liposuction a few months ago and she's here to show the results.
Yes, look at my arms!
Well, you know,
it's life-changing because I really needed that push after giving birth to my second child. I really needed that push to come back to myself. Contrary to popular belief, breastfeeding made me really big. Go to the supplements and I was always hungry. Masipag naman to work out. But it's really my arms that are so stubborn.
It looks like we did the whole body.
So after I did it, I was really inspired to move and to stick to my diet. Kasi sayang naman.
the message here is that even if you work out a lot, even if you diet, some fat is just really stubborn.
That's right. And there's no shame in asking for a little help. As a matter of fact, I push my friends who ask me, sabi ko, you know what, it's really life-changing because I will never be able to achieve this on my own.
Laging bisitahin ang website ng Bandera para sa mas maraming showbiz chika balita. E-follow ang Instagram ni @Victoria_Bello. E-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!